Does knee pain prevent you from doing the things you love? Knee pain can come from osteoarthritis or even after having a knee replacement. The pain is caused by abnormal arteries and nerves. Common knee treatments like injections don't treat this part of the pain. New treatments are needed to get rid of these bad arteries and nerves. Introducing Genicular Artery Embolization, or GAE, a cutting-edge procedure designed to relieve knee pain. GAE is performed by highly specialized doctors in an outpatient setting in under 1 hour. A small catheter, like an IV, is inserted in the leg. Then the abnormal arteries are found with X-ray, and tiny beads are injected to remove these bad blood vessels. This reduces the inflammation and abnormal nerves that cause pain. No major surgery, no long recovery, just results. Do you have knee arthritis or pain after a knee replacement? Ask your provider about GAE.